Yeah, this type of exhibitions are very important. Unlike other metro cities, we have very few opportunities to brand ourselves and let people know about our company. And this is an initiative which is taken by my father, Mr. Manjunath Pujari. He's been doing this since quite a long time, and it's become a brand now. And a lot of builders are appreciating. In fact, even yesterday there was a builder at our office, and he was so thankful. He was so happy. He did around 10 crores business in our Pancham exhibition, which we had in Kala Academy last year. So this way, it is benefiting both the builders and the clients also. In fact. One client just met me and he was like, he was looking for some property. So he came here and he had couple of, options, and he was happy that, he got to meet several builders at one place and choose, his dream home among the choices. So the response is good. I welcome everyone to come to the exhibition and have a look and choose your dream home. It's the exhibition will be there for today and tomorrow. That is on 22nd and 23rd of March. It will be open for all. There is no entry fee, and it will be open from 9 o'clock till 9 in the evening. So.
कितने का है ये एग्जीबिशन?
This is the fifth edition which we are having, the second one in Margao, and the very reason we are having it, continuously. I mean, with such short break, because this is the initiative taken by builders only. After seeing the response which they got from our previous exhibition, they asked us to conduct it again, and they told us that this is the right time. You can have it at this place. So. It's on their builders' demand. We are conducting this.
अभी रियल एस्टेट अप डाउन हो रहे हैं, पब्लिक को कितना यूजफुल होता है ऐसा?
Yeah, it
रियल
is.
एस्टेट अभी देखा तो अप डाउन हो रहे हैं रूरल में, सिटी और ग्रामीण।
Yeah, I understand. There is a. This is mainly because of the economic crisis which we faced in past few months. So in that way, it's advantageous for the clients. If I had to buy a property, if any smart person is there, he will definitely invest in properties at this at this moment, because considering the economy and the state. Which we are going through, this is the best time for any investors to invest in property. Thank you.
और कितना कहाँ से